Hey guys, this is your Trusted Weather Forecast, and today we're going to be talking about the upcoming potential for a brief severe weather outbreak that may happen Tuesday into Wednesday of this coming week, and this is your update video on that. Please subscribe to this channel. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content, and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. And also like the video if you want to get this out to as many people as possible, so they are aware of this event. You see two different colors here. The lighter shade of red means a severe weather outbreak is possible. You may see some sporadic severe weather instances Tuesday into Wednesday, but the darker red shade is where I'm more concerned about, where it is likely, again not guaranteed, but likely that something will happen in there. These storms may be very dangerous if they develop properly, and they may bring significantly damaging wind gusts and potentially become a derecho-like storm. Now let's go on to the models. This is the SPC's Day 3 outlook. There is a slight risk. If they did have more confidence in this event, I am not doubtful that they would have an enhanced risk issued if there was higher confidence. Cities most at risk are Madison, Sioux Falls, Rochester, Bloomington, La Crosse, all those major cities in that slight risk. We can't see individual probabilities, but we do have a small region of significant severe in South Dakota going into southern Minnesota. And I do expect this to get expanded and upgraded. I do think an enhanced risk is likely to be issued, and for a moderate risk, I doubt it. I doubt a moderate risk, but I'm not going to rule it out. Looking at the NAM models, this is surface-based CAPE. This is Tuesday, 21Z. I'll go 00Z. This is 7 p.m. Tuesday. This peak of these storms, depending on where you are, storms will start earlier west and start later east. So, for example, the Dakotas storms will fire up in the afternoon, and in the Great Lakes, Wisconsin, Michigan, it will be into the overnight hours. You do see surface-based CAPE values in Minnesota, Wisconsin there, up to 6,000 in that region there. You do see possible hazard type tornado. There's 7,680 surface-based CAPE. SIN is -5, so there is weak capping, but I'm sure it will break, more than sure. Parameters are through the roof up here, and very dangerous setup, that's all I have to say. If everything goes correctly, we can see pretty widespread damage if it can be played correctly. If you look at significant tornado parameter, you do see here that same time, 7 p.m. The bulk of it will be towards the north here and into Michigan. But as we go into the overnight hours, that does dip south. This is 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, I believe. And then that continues to push east into Wednesday morning, where it will push southeast. If you look at bulk shear for this event, you do see the more favorable shear is to the north. However, I'm not doubtful that there is enough shear that storms can actually fire off, as they have a slight risk and effect, obviously. If you look at 24-hour accumulated precipitation for the system, you do see here within 24 hours, so by Wednesday evening, there will be heaviest rains will be north of the system, over 2 inches possible. Otherwise, I'm not expecting widespread flooding for these storms. These storms will be very fast moving and will contain hazards. The main hazards for these storms are significantly damaging wind gusts, large hail, and we cannot rule out a couple of tornadoes. That's your trusted weather forecast for this upcoming potential severe weather outbreak that may bring tons of damage to the Midwest and Great Lakes if things are played correctly. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.